Hi friends, my name is Clint and I work at TechSmith on the Camtasia team. As you may know, corner pin mode was added to Camtasia 2023 and it's a great way to get content to fit inside device frames that come with stock footage. But let's talk about another way to use the corner pin mode. Here I have a screenshot of a mobile application. Right now it's just floating in a sea of black, which isn't very appealing or interesting. We can make it look more inviting by adding a white background, but it still feels very flat and lifeless, and the white still feels overwhelming. Now I'm going to add a colored box at the bottom. I'll just pick a color from inside my graphic so that it looks nice. Now I'll click on the four-corner clip at the top of my canvas to switch to corner pin mode. Now I can grab the corners of this colored box and drag them up to the edges of my image. Then I send it backwards so that the image is still on top. This creates the illusion that our image is sitting on a little table that uses our branding colors. Now we can do the same thing to make a ceiling. These are just boxes, but they start to create this illusory 3D space that makes the canvas more interesting. Now we can scale up our image so that it's big enough for our audience to read. Two more things we can do. I'm going to add a drop shadow to give another visual hint that this image exists in 3D space. And lastly, I'll jump over to the properties panel for the image and add a -10 to the X rotation. This gives the viewer a visual hint that the image is quote-unquote tall, which makes the image feel more impressive. Thanks for watching and have a great day using Camtasia.